This TikTok account made $62,000 in 1 hour with an AI TikTok, and all they did was post this one simple video. So there are everyday people who are literally changing their lives overnight with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Forget the creativity program that made some people rich in the last couple of months, but it's getting saturated. As in this video, I'll share a brand new untapped way to make $62,000 with one single video, but more importantly, how to do it with AI. A few days ago, I came across this TikTok video that said,
Need to stop oil pulling. You think it wards off cavities. You've likely heard it boosts gum health and brightens your teeth. You might even view it as a viable substitute for mouthwash.
Yeah, I thought it was just another one of those videos. But then I noticed it had over 10 million views and a link to a TikTok shop. So I got curious and went to this site called Kalodata, where you can see how much people are earning from TikTok Shop. I put in their username and boom, $51,000. Wait, what? How in the world did they make that much? What were they selling? I had to find out. And guess what? I did. By the end of this, I'm going to share exactly how you can go viral and make thousands every month, even if you've never done this before. But here's the kicker: TikTok Shop's affiliate program is only in a few countries, like the US and UK. But don't worry, I've got a trick. There's a way to make TikTok think you're in the US so you can get in on the action too. I'll show you how. Here's how the account looks now. Now that we have our account ready, let's create our video. To do this, we have to go through finding a product, writing a script, creating a voiceover, editing music, sound effects, but first, we need a plan. So I sat down and researched all the highest converting videos to see what they all had in common. And here's everything you need to know. Now, let's get to work. First, we got to find our product. For this part, you want to head over to Kalodata and click on Products. Here, you can search through all the most viral TikTok Shop products and see exactly how much money they're printing. If we take a look at this top one right here, you'll see it's the same product the account I showed you in the beginning promoted. As you can see, this product has generated over $4 million in the last 30 days through TikTok Shop, which is just nuts. And if we scroll down to the creators who promoted this product, this account is in 14th place. So let's break it down. They've made $57,000 with just a 20% commission, which means their total profit from this one video is around $115,000. Not bad, right? Now that we've got the product, let's move on to creating our first viral video. This is the most critical step if your TikTok isn't getting views. It's probably because your script isn't strong enough. Let's fix that by nailing a captivating hook. Remember, people are scrolling endlessly before they stumble upon your video, so you need to grab their attention instantly. Something like, here's how I make $200 a week on TikTok without ever showing my face. It has to be impossible for viewers to scroll past, something that hits them emotionally and makes them want to know more. I moved on to the next step. And let's be honest, I wasn't feeling up for doing all the research myself. That's where ChatGPT comes in. All you need to do is pop in a prompt, hit generate, and if it's not quite right, just regenerate until it clicks. Once you've got the perfect script, copy it and paste it straight into the Google Doc. Here's where it gets a little strange: split the script up so each sentence is on its own line. Trust me, this will make sense later on. Now that the script is set, it's time for the voiceover. Funny thing, my parents used to punish me by taking away my guitar. But if you've got a voice like Austin Butler, you can just record it yourself. But if your voice isn't exactly award-winning, head over to 11 Labs. I've dropped the link in the description. Pick any voice that suits your video, paste your script, press generate, and then hit the little download button. I'll do this part in MidJourney, which is the best AI image generator out there, but you can really use any one you want. If we take a look at the video I showed you in the beginning, you'll see all of the images are people showing some kind of emotion: happy, sad, angry, confused. It can be anything. So enter this exact prompt followed by the emotion that you want the image to show. I'll go with this one. Then press generate, upscale the best one, and download it. Now, you want to repeat this step for each line of the script. Just make sure all of the images match the sentences. 2 Red Bulls and 1 hour later. Nah, I'm kidding. It didn't take that long, but I made this folder with all the images we need. Let's put this masterpiece together. I'll use CapCut for this part, but you can really use any editing software you like. Start off by creating a new project and choose the TikTok format 916. Then, import the voice files to the project by pressing on Upload. Drag them to the timeline and cut out all the silent moments. Then, overlay the clips with just a couple of frames to get a faster pacing. This is called a J-cut. If we listen to it, you'll hear that the pace is completely insane and sounds a lot better than the original voiceover. You are not oil pulling. Oil pulling is what many AI creators, including myself, used to spice up the content. Good job. Now, import all the MidJourney images and drag them to the timeline one by one. Like the last step, just make sure each image covers one line of the script. You've just created your first rough cut, but we need some animations. Click on Animations and then on Combo. Here, you have multiple animations you can choose from. I'll go with this one. Now, you want to repeat this step on all clips, and you should have something like this: your teeth are disgusting, and this is why you are not oil pulling. But we're not done yet. I'm not here to teach you some shitty video, so let's take it even further. We need some captions, and no, you don't have to create them yourself. Just click on Text, Auto Captions, and then Create. Read them through a couple of times just to make sure there are no mistakes, since that just looks goofy as hell. Now, I mean, it looks good, but we can do better than this. Let's add some animations to the captions. Click on Templates to the right and choose any preset you like, for example, this one. Now let me present the Rolls-Royce of virality hacks sound effects. You can go on YouTube and search for a bunch of sound effects one by one, or you can just download my free Google Drive folder I have linked down below with all the most viral sound effects. It's up to you. Anyways, when you've downloaded the sound effects from the folder and added a couple of those, don't forget about the music. You can either add music here or when you upload it inside the TikTok app. However, I like to add it when I edit the video. You know, choosing a trending song is not only hard but can also really increase your AVD, average view duration. This is because people stay for longer unintentionally if the song is catchy. You can really choose any song you like. I found that this one is doing well right now, so I'll just download it from YouTube with Save From Net, drag it to the timeline, and adjust it to the video. Don't forget to tweak the volume of it.
Teeth are disgusting, and this is why. You are not oil pulling. Oil pulling isn't just a trend, it's backed by science. It can improve oral health by reducing harmful bacteria and plaque buildup. Plus, some people notice clearer skin. It's a simple, natural remedy that's worth a try. So next time you're scrolling, consider adding oil pulling to your routine. Trust me, your mouth and skin will thank you.
Now you've got your first viral short. It seems easy, right? But let's dive deeper into what actually makes content like this go viral. The key is crafting something that immediately grabs attention and provides value. Just like this, your teeth are disgusting. And this is why you're not oil pulling bold, direct, and intriguing, right? Oil pulling may seem like a passing fad, but it's far from it. This practice has its roots in ancient traditions and is now supported by modern science. It's not just about freshening your breath, it can dramatically enhance your oral health by reducing harmful bacteria, preventing plaque buildup, and tackling bad breath at its source. If you're serious about learning how to make money online, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. The next video is going to be packed with even more valuable tips, strategies, and insider secrets that you won't want to miss. Turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when it drops. We're just getting started, and there's a lot more to come. Thanks for sticking around, and I really appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned, and let's keep growing together.